Join me as I dive into the wild world of SGN stock and try to figure out what's really going on with it. SGN stock has been making waves in the market lately, and if you're invested or just curious, you're probably wondering what's behind the recent movements. In this video, we'll break down the challenges it's facing, what's influencing its current situation, and what could be the turning point for this stock. SGN stock has had a tough ride recently, with market volatility playing a significant role in its performance. The overall market uncertainty hasn't helped, and investors are getting a bit jittery. On top of that, SGN has been dealing with some company-specific issues that have raised concerns among investors. One of the main concerns is the company's ability to scale and keep up with industry demands. There have been some missteps in their strategy that have left investors questioning their long-term viability. Additionally, SGN's financials have been under scrutiny, with some analysts questioning their debt management and cash flow. Those company-specific issues are significant because they directly impact SGN's bottom line and investor confidence. When investors are worried about a company's fundamentals, it shows in the stock price. SGN's recent earnings report didn't help alleviate those concerns, and the market has reacted accordingly. The lack of clear guidance from the company hasn't helped either, leaving investors to piece together the information they do have. All these factors combined have created a perfect storm of uncertainty around SGN stock. Industry trends are also worth considering when looking at SGN stock. The sector is highly competitive, and SGN must innovate and adapt quickly to stay ahead. Their latest earnings report showed some promising signs, but the market was unimpressed. What does that say about the company's future prospects? Expert opinions are mixed, with some analysts seeing potential for a turnaround and others are more skeptical. Their performance will likely depend on how well they execute their next steps. One thing is certain, SGN stock is under a microscope, and every move they make will be closely watched. The industry landscape is shifting rapidly, and SGN must navigate these changes effectively. There are opportunities for growth, but they won't be easy to seize. Keeping an eye on their competitors and the overall market sentiment will be crucial. The critical insight here is that SGN's recent struggles might actually be a blessing in disguise. A significant news announcement recently revealed a major shakeup in their leadership, which could signal a new direction for the company. This change could bring fresh perspectives and potentially stabilize the stock. This leadership change might just be what SGN needs to regain investor confidence. If they can successfully execute their new strategy, we might see a turnaround in their fortunes. Investors are cautiously optimistic, and the stock has responded positively to the news. The coming months will be crucial in determining SGN's trajectory. Their ability to adapt and innovate will play a significant role in their success. This turning point could be exactly what SGN stock needs to get back on track. To recap, SGN stock is navigating a challenging environment, influenced by market volatility, company-specific issues, and industry trends. However, with the recent leadership change, there's a glimmer of hope for a turnaround. The stock's future performance will depend on how well SGN executes its strategy and adapts to the changing market. If you have any thoughts on SGN stock or what's happening in the market, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, check out our video on the future for more insights into the sector and how it might impact your investments.